Alright guys, this is going to be my review of my LG window air conditioner. Got this and for my room soon, so I can keep my room nice and cold in here. Got that down at the Home Depot and it works so good. I installed it. Yep. Let's check it to make sure it's installed all the way. Always don't forget about that. Alright, it's working good. Here's all the controls right there. We have cool energy saver, fan dry, and filter and timer. Let's put it on cool, and I put the temp on the lowest settings. So over there, here's the actual tournament right there. I don't know, you can hardly even see because of the camera, the microphone wins, so I don't know if it's picking it up. But you can hear the fan running, so that's good. It's really cold. Look at that. Compressor's on, so that's good. Hear that compressor? Alright. Got it installed. It's making the video with you. Yep. Here's the here's on the controls. We have temp, up and down, and fan speed. If you want to make it go low or high, I just like it on high the most. It's better if I have it on high. A timer, I never use that. And the mode select to change between different cool, just internal fan, and we have power to turn it off. Alright. Here's the remote. It's right there.
You got a spot. Okay.
Got a spot.
Ooh.
Here's the button right here. Alright.
Goes far.
Goes far. It's kind of like a remote thermostat, right?
Oh, I feel like I'm in a hotel room, man.
It is. And that's the on button, and that's the temp. Up and down, we have fan speed, we have timer, and we have mode. And yeah, just about all it. Thanks for watching, and I hope we have a good day. Bye. Here's where you plug it in right there. The cord is long, isn't it, Daddy? Alright. I'm gonna say, guys, bye for now. We'll see y'all a lot. Bye.